Kids, in this video we will trace 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 to 20. Let's learn colors name. Pink color, green color, purple, yellow, orange, black, brown, sky blue, red, violet, green and blue color. Violet color. Kids, we are tracing number 1. This is number 2. We are tracing number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6. Number 7. This is number 8. Kids, this is number 9. 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.